happy that um, there are more avenues for artists like Stel. Kasi dati pag sinabing balladeer, kailangan Martin Rivera sounding, Gary V sounding, di ba? And now, we have a lot of, nagiging diverse na yung sound ng balladeer ngayon. So, yeah, and I watched his performance at the David Foster concert. Ang galing. I watched his performance sa, I think he guested in Eric Santos' concert in the US. Tuloy-tuloy na yan kasi he's very good. And as long as, you really stick to your core, tuloy-tuloy yan.
Bigyan ng pagkakataon with him, showdown or collab siya?
Collab na lang. Wala nang showdown. Ito kasi, it's just so funny kasi, we have this tendency of pitting artists against each other na, sinong mas magaling, sinong mas mataas boses, sinong mas pogi, sinong mas payat. It all ends up with everybody fighting. Diba? So if it's going to be a collaboration for something beautiful, and everybody will enjoy, the fans of Stel will enjoy, the fans of Jed Modelo will enjoy, it's masaya, diba? Kaysa sa, mas magaling si Jed dun sa part na, mas magaling si Stel sa part, it's just going to be a negative effect sa mga fans, sa mag-aaway-away. So ako, as much as possible, I just want everybody to be at peace. Mag-enjoy tayo, let's, kasi at the end of the day, yung bashing at pag-aaway, wala rin napupuntahan. May masasaktan lang, may masasaktan. So, collaboration would be a good idea. Thank you.
What would the song be?
Oh, okay. Follow-up question from John. What would the song be if ever mag-collab daw kayong Stel of STX?
Well, ako personally, I want it to be an original song. Somebody has to, write an original song that's going to be tailor-fit for our voices. Kasi mataas boses namin dalawa, but it's not the same. I mean, iba yung quality ng boses ni Stel, iba din yung akin. So it has to be tailor-fit for our voices. But, pag cover, siguro, All by myself? Nagulat nga ako, binalik nila yung All by myself ko sa ASAP noon, nag-resurface na naman. O syempre, may mga dinikit na naman, kinompare, ayan na, nagsimula na naman yung away. Come on, guys.
Ang dami masipag talaga lalo sa TikTok.
Isi-stitch nila.
May name yung note. Alam nila kung anong note.
Kung anong note. Mas mataas to. mas magaling. Flat siya lang. Wala. Tao lang po kami. Nagkakamali din minsan. But, that's the colorful part of showbiz, I guess. Masaya yung showbiz dahil dyan. But I don't encourage it because it hurts people sometimes. So, kung cover siguro we can do yun, All by Myself. He did Defying Gravity, I think also. And probably, And I'm Telling You. Yun, that would be a nice song, di ba? So, maybe one of these days.
Shout out to Stel. Alright, thank you. Now, I think, yes, we do have more questions later on. But for now, we would like to ask more. Okay, we'd like to show you a video, Jed. Yes, because you've been telling everyone how thankful you are of their support. Now we want to let you know how we feel about you, how much we love you through this video.